Hi everyone, and welcome back to Art with Mrs. S. Today we're going to be drawing a building, and I'm going to be looking at a building from my town called Science Central. And Science Central is kind of a unique building. It's an older building, but you can still see lots of really neat stuff on it and a lot of cool shapes. So I'm going to observe my building here. My building has a lot of rectangles, has kind of this larger rectangle in front. And there's another kind of tall rectangular tower to the left of my building I'm looking at. It also looks like there's a couple levels or stories to this building. So I'm gonna add on more rectangles kind of behind this one. And let's add just one more here. So my building has not just these towers, it also has things in front too. So if you wanted to draw those things or trees, you're more than welcome to do that. But I'm gonna add in my windows next. My windows are also rectangular. And my windows also have other window panels in front of them. So I like to draw these lines that go straight up and down or vertical. And then other lines that go side to side, horizontal, to make that kind of, I always call it a waffle pattern for those windows. There's kind of a column in between some of these, and then there's more windows. So I'm gonna go right across here and do a little bit more work on my windows. Do those same 3 lines down in each one. 3, and then I went across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can change yours. You don't have to observe Science Central. You could look at your house. Maybe you know a building downtown that you could copy or observe. And then of course we want to look at how we're getting into this building. So there is an entranceway down here. Kind of have to go through a tunnel area, and there's 4 doors. You can add little handles in there. I could also add in these other windows on my image. There's windows in front that might just be one rectangle. I might see other rectangles behind here in the other story of my building. I could see different lines going across. I might have lines out front my building. And then of course, we're gonna be getting into one of Science Central's main features or characteristics that we know right away that this is Science Central. And it's these big, colorful towers on top. So I'm gonna add these in. And they kind of go up, back down. I'm gonna draw a line here too. I think there's 5 of them. So there's red I saw, orange I can see in my picture, yellow, green, and I can see only part of my blue one back there. And you could add other things. So if you don't observe something, I've even changed mine up some too. You can add in those other details and that'll be just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and take some time to add some color to my building, but I'm gonna definitely share a picture when I'm all finished. I can't wait to see all of your building observations, and of course, have fun.